Hi there. I have not done a project polish update in months, as it was pointed out to me by a comment in my last video. So here it is. Oh, and here is my daughter. So good times. Okay. I started out and I'm trying to use the same polishes and see how many I can use up by the time the year is done. And I'm finding that I buy polishes way too often and I have too many and I am horrid at using them up. I tend to only paint my nails once a week. Right now, even they're pretty janky, but that is going to be a whole nother story and we'll get there. Okay, so, okay, let's just go with it. We're going to push through. Okay, we started out the year, it's January, and I had this nice dark nail polish color because I have, okay, what are you doing? Because I have several, it finds out, of very similar shades. So this one is Milani Black Cherry. I haven't been using it. It's summertime, I just kind of set it aside. That's this first one. Okay, then there was a Sally's Girl little mini, and that was the first one I used up, and that was good because I felt like I had accomplished something. Then we have a very sexy dog. Okay. Wow.
Sorry.
Then we have Revlon Ice. Used that up. It is what it is. And then we have Drama. Okay, so I have always looked for a green polish that looked good with my skin tone because I wear a lot of green, clearly, and yet I have yet to find one. I thought this was going to be it. It's not. So I wear it kind of as a base coat for some of the darker colors just to try to use it up. It was brand spanking full when I started. We've moved on to about halfway. Ooh, and I should back up. That's how much of the Milani shade I've used. Woohoo! So this is pretty much each month you can see I've used up just enough to make another line. So it almost looks like there's just a big silver bar going down the side. I'm determined to use this thing up because I'm stubborn. So there's that. Then I added a Trust Fund Beauty polish, which I got in an Ipsy bag because I realized I'd been using all old nail polishes and I kind of wanted to give myself a treat of a shade that I loved in a brand new nail polish. Now, I added that pretty much the same time that I added this Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Twisted Pink, which I am now down to here on. That will be the next one I push through. The problem is, and then I went through that period of not really making videos because I was so frustrated with my progress. Ooh, I also had this glitter polish. Sinful Colors in Pinky Glitter. Haven't used it a single time. I feel like I'm in confessionals. I was blowing through this Trust Fund Beauty. It's on my nails now, one coat. Why one coat, you ask? You'll never use up your polish if you only use one coat, plus it will chip and disappear. Oh, well, funny you ask. I'll show you this picture right now. Okay, so my purse was too full. I brought it to work because I thought I would do a second coat of polish between the gym and starting my work day because that's how I kind of squeeze things in. It fell out and broke on the concrete. So the polish that I've been spending the most time on and trying to work through the freaking bottle broke in the parking lot and made a huge mess. Luckily, only on the concrete and not on my clothes or my car or anyone else's clothes or car. But it is dead nonetheless, and I have nothing to show for it. So, yay. So this one will be the next one. Yeah, we'll just move right along. This one will be the next one that I use up. And I was looking for a replacement for this. So I have another not used bottle. So we have an Essie polish in Playdate. I don't like this one. So I've got to figure out what kind of marking to use for, hey, I broke it on the concrete outside my work. Clearly not an X, because an X means, hey, you used it up because you're doing great. But I need a little thumbs down. So that's the story of my project polish right now. For better or worse, that's my confessional, and that's where we're at. And I promise I will make more regular updates. Yay. Thanks for watching.